Dear student, today I am going to discuss the chapter number 3, admission of partnership. Sometime a new partner is needed into business due to following reason. When more capital, when more capital and when more capital is needed for the expansion of the business. Second, when a competent and experienced person is needed for the efficient running of the business. Third, to increase the goodwill and reputation of the business by taking a reputed person or renowned person into the partnership. And fourth is to encourage a capable employee by taking him into the partnership. When a new part when in the admission of a partnership, a new partnership deed is prepared at the time of admission of a new partner. As the old partnership deed come to an end according to section 31 subsection 1 of the Indian Partnership Act, a new partner cannot be admitted without the consent of all existing partner. In this chapter, following adjustment are needed at the time of admission of a new partner. First is calculation of new profit sharing ratio. The calculation of new profit sharing ratio contains 4 cases. Case number 1, when only the ratio of new partner is given in the question, then in the absence of any other agreement, it is presumed that the old partner will continue to share the remaining profit in the same ratio in which they were sharing before the admission of new partner. Now student, example, A and B are partner in the profit sharing. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3, and C is admitted for 1/4. C is a new partner, and calculate new ratio. In this question, only old ratio is given, and the portion of C, who is new partner, is given, and there is nothing any other information given in the question. At that time, for solving this question, we will assume that let total profit be 1, and then remaining profit is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 is the remaining portion, and this remaining portion is distributed between the old partner in their old ratio, that is 5:3. Then 3 by 4, A share will 3 by 4 into 5 by 8 is equal to 15 by 32, and B share is 3 by 4 into 3 by 8 is equal to 9 by 32, and C share is already given in the question, 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 we multiply by 8 in numerator and denominator, that's for the equating the denominator, and we find 8 by 32. Then new ratio is 15:9:8. This is the first case. Now I am discussing the case number 2. The case number 2, sometime the new partner purchases his share from the old partner in a particular ratio. In such case, the new profit sharing ratio of the old partner will be calculated after deducting the sacrifice made by a partner from his existing share of a profit. In example, old ratio is 5:3, and C is admitted for 1 by 4. C acquired equally from A and B. C acquired his share equally from A and B. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. In this question, there are two partner and C share is 1 by 4, then we will divide C share in two equal parts, and that's why we are multiplying 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 and 1 by 8, and C is acquired 1 by 8 from A, from 1 by 8 from A and 1 by 8 from B, and after deducting 1 by 8 from 5 by 8 we will get 4 by 8, and 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8 we will get 2 by 8, and C share is 1 by 4, and converting into like fraction we multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator of C share, and after that we will find 2 by 8, and new ratio is equal to 4 is to 2 is to 2, and after simplifying this ratio we will get 2 is to 1 is to 1. This is the new ratio. This is two cases of partnership calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Thank you, student.